I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Alright guys, so it is Wednesday and it's around 11 o'clock. And I just made me some lunch. Actually the exact same thing last night or yesterday for lunch, except I added avocado and a little bit of lemon juice. So it's iceberg lettuce, tomato, jalapeno, the ground beef, a little bit of red onion, and then avocado with lime juice with ranch and honey mustard on the top. Alright guys, so I didn't do a lot of vlogging last night, obviously, but it's Thursday now, and don't mind my hair. I washed it last night and I slept on it, so this is the result every morning. But if I don't do anything to it, it's really frizzy. I think Chandler's cooking breakfast right now, maybe, hopefully. Oh, it's so dark and dreary today. Can't even find how to put this thing on. Cold. It's dark and dreary and rainy and cold. Turn my heater up to 90. Macy girl, come here. Look, come here. Look, hey baby. Look. Will you hand me that Carmex? It's down there, like in the door thing. Thanks so much. That's what he was doing to me earlier. No problem.
Where's my cologne?
Over here.
Got to smell good, cause. Oh wow.
You press it down, like, and it'll. Yeah. That's not where that goes.
You look pretty. I like this outfit.
Thanks, with my Christmas socks and slides on.
Oh.
Cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me.
I for real hate how people draw.
Okay guys, so since I didn't do much yesterday or today, and I'm gonna go home and I'm going to do my makeup since I haven't done a lot these past couple days. I wish this person would get off my booty. Jill, like, what are you doing? Why are you so... Oh, these people don't know how to drive. I will forever say that. People don't know how to drive. Let me explain that a little bit better. So, here's the main road where I was coming from. I was coming this way. Here's this road. It has into two lanes, right? Here's the right, here's the left. This person was facing this way, and they were going left in the direction that I was going. Well, they were at the stop sign at the bottom of this lane. They were turned this way instead of just a little bit to tell people that they were going left. No, they were like this. So, like, here's the start. Here, they're in the middle of this, like, turning, like, why? I had this much space to turn left and go up the hill. Okay, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna do my makeup because calm down. Doing my makeup helps me to calm down. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna do my makeup real quick, okay? Okay. Great. I think I'm gonna watch YouTube. Okay guys, so I'm super hungry right now and it's probably around 5:30 right now. So I'm going to make me a salad, but I used up the ground beef, like all of the ground beef that I made the other day. So I'm going to make some more ground beef for my salads and make me a salad because I'm hungry. So alright, I got a phone call. So I chopped up this one. I put this in the refrigerator for like tomorrow or whatever. And then this is going to be mine for tonight. I've got one Roma tomato. And I've got a little bit of jalapeno. And I've got some onions. Now this isn't the prettiest thing, but it's been in the refrigerator. I ate the other half yesterday. This is the other half of the lemon that I used yesterday. So I think tonight I'm going to be doing some olive oil on here. Just a little bit. I'm going to take another lemon. Now I'm just going to take this beef that I cooked up and just spread it on there. And that's basically it. And then I'm going to take the leftover ground beef, stick it in here when that cools down. Alright guys, so I think I'm going to end this here. That way I can get this vlog edited and uploaded tonight. I have a new vlog coming on Saturday and a new makeup video coming tomorrow afternoon at 12. So y'all be sure to come back for those. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.